This is an iMac from 2011. It doesn't. It's 2025, and it's about 14 years old. And I installed Windows 11 onto it. It took a while because it wasn't straightforward, and I did it from USB installation. So there's some problems with audio drivers and whatever. But eventually, I got pretty much most of it to work. Um, for a 14-year-old desktop, it runs pretty well. Especially the hard drive is a 2.5-inch spinning SATA hard drive. Um, so I can do pretty much everything I needed to do. Can surf the internet pretty fine. Sometimes it takes a while to load. Let me go on to a different thing.